Yo, hello.
Hello?
Yo, is this the best of 5?
No.
Hell nah, bro.
Playing.
Final is best of 5. I'm pretty
But
sure.
these
Playing.
not
Bro.
bro.
We guys winning? We winning today or what?
Dude,
I
we
don't
win
know.
every
I know
single
Dom
time.
sounds like he's ready to troll my game.
Bro, I
don't know.
got paid $100 from the enemy team just to lose, so earning.
100?
Wait,
That's it?
no,
Like, I
no,
wouldn't
we
throw for
split the
100.
bill. We split it, right? We split
Oh
it
yeah,
50-50.
yeah.
Alright, guys, we know our plan. We don't call for those cringe timeouts like the enemy team. And that's it.
And we use util.
Sometimes.
Wait, my KO lineup for Molly. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, get the TikTok open. Get the TikTok open.
Hello, how's it going, guys? We have a great game coming up for you guys. UTM Black versus UH.
Black right here. They expect to be in this corner. Turns the final.
Alright,
What's up,
I'm
Nick?
right.
What's up?
Stairs.
Nice, nice.
At CT.
Reyna's- Reyna's low. Reyna's so low.
Bro, we're all low. Shit.
Last guy, logs.
Can you chill for a sec?
Yeah. Push in, push in,
Lane.
push in.
Oh.
Will he turn in time? Looks like Georgia has turned in time. Wrong angle here. Low HP.
Nice
Oh,
try.
Hansi, my bad. I thought I had time to go in.
Okay.
Someone play B-main for that KO ult, maybe.
No one.
I'm blind.
Up. CT.
One more. CT, Sova. Right side,
Both
Sova.
CT, both CT, both CT.
Alright, I'm fighting with you.
I'm fine.
I'm fighting last guy as well.
Wow, are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Okay, the W key out A meta. This is it. This is honestly it, guys. I like 100%.
Through in Georgia, he's just tucked here towards the market. Able to take down Raz as the door closed down. While he was in Asheville from his iron, P shooter found frags as well.
Yeah, just play for your ult. Me and Dippy will play site.
Very
Fucking
spam.
lane so that they don't see the alarm bot.
Yeah.
Nope.
That's perfect.
Oh.
I'm
that's
playing for
perfect.
stairs. Okay.
Yeah. If I see them, I'm gonna pop Molly.
Out market, I think.
Up Molly.
No,
Stairs.
for sure. Both stairs. Nice shot.
Upstairs.
Nice.
You don't need to ult, Brim, you can just fight it.
Yeah.
Honestly, just run
On site.
side.
He's on site. On site.
You win.
No. I wanted to get it so bad. Oh.
He wanted it.
Flew this,
He
flew that,
sacrificed his life
Bro,
for
I
the right
thought
one.
it-
They kill him, bro.
Why does he react to popping swings, bro?
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest as well. If you draw a line in the middle of the map, vertically, I don't think he's going to get to the right of that line.
No, I don't think so.
He's got an opening. And that spike, it's gonna cross the line. Look, it's
gonna-
passed.
It's made it.
They're going towards A.
Let's go.
Spike planted.
Dom gets the spike down. Georgia's peeking out the
Last
top.
player
Oh,
standing.
oh,
He doesn't
lucky.
get anything. So unlucky. It's just nightfall for himself, but identity unknown's already dropped with the Odin, and he finds 3 with the Odin.
That fade from Reyna couldn't have come at a better time.
Oh.
Okay, that was my bad. I f***ing trolled that one.
Dude, that's unlucky, brother. You know.
I know that was actually 3. The Reyna dismissed though, like me.
It's okay.
Now Dom's gonna get a little aggressive. Oh, he's just tucked himself into this corner. Oh, who checks this?
Astra's aiming down, but I don't think he can be ready for this. Oh, and he went
1
up.
and 2. Oh, Dom, 1, 2. Beautiful
Spike
from
down
Dom.
mid. Flawless.
It looked like that was a collide in the making. Guy steps away at the last minute.
Map right
You
here.
want to play?
Last
Let's
map
play.
of Ascent. Georgia picks one up from mid.
He's alone.
You want it? I'm doing
I'm
out.
lying.
I'm overheating. I'm overheating.
No ace. No ace. Take it from him.
Let's do it.
Take it from him.
Are you serious right now, bro?
Are you serious right now? We
Wait,
just took his
Sabio,
ace
can-
right
Sabio,
now.
Can we kick this guy out of the team,
I
Dude,
said it,
he's
bro.
off
I
the
said
team
it.
next semester. I've already talked to Spiel.
Off the team, please.
Plans
You
are already
guys
in
stole my
motion.
game.
We are on Breeze, and we are in Agent Select.
And we'll have a 5v5 breach. I think this is the first one we've seen entire.
You can stay back
Someone's behind
down.
the box.
One McDonald's.
McDonald's, I'm not holding it. That's
Shit. One's elbow. I
Oh,
think
wow.
You
one's
shot with
tunnel,
your smoke.
maybe. Or nest.
Running gun.
Bro,
Oh,
he's
you
actually
just
running.
Oh,
Oh,
CT. Marshall, CT.
it could be mid. Be mid. Be
elbow's
mid.
going flank. Elbow's going flank.
Alright, so
Be
let's
mid.
go
Be
flank.
mid. This guy. You're both looking. You're good.
Care blinds.
No flashes. Okay.
Alright, wait, why'd you say care blinds?
No, in case you didn't even flash.
Just gotta wait.
We don't have things yet.
No,
Yeah,
105.
Double doors. Two double doors. Two double doors.
Two double doors. Viper live. Viper the hard.
One close right, close right, close
Close
right.
right, close
Oh.
right. You can clear this guy.
Oh,
Wait,
we didn't clear that
the
with drone.
drone. The drone.
Oh,
Wait, he
man.
wasn't. Wait, what? Oh, because I was looking left and then they shot it. Sorry.
Blind. There's KO shooting at me. Viper's on top there as well. Let's try.
Oh, it's so
Anti,
light.
anti, anti.
Alright, call a timeout.
Sorry. My drone
timeout?
literally made it here and then I got shot.
Yeah, I need to restart.
Not planted for R from you, sorry.
That's okay. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Tunnel.
I don't think they clear elbow, honestly.
If you stay alive, I kill both.
Yeah, don't peek
We'll
tunnel, Dippy.
This is big from P shooter. He's got both of them lined up.
One enemy
Just take the
remaining.
shots though, but he gets one and two from P
Yeah.
shooter.
Yo.
Dude, it's so
Guardian
laggy.
Eco
Yeah,
Shred.
You're my dad.
Let's
Oogie, woogie, woogie.
Oh, oh, gets one. Get a second though. Zach trades a 3v3. That's another version.
Absolutely.
Nice one from Dom though. Straight through halls. Takes down Zach. Good man advantage.
Last
Solo
player
and HP,
standing.
and he'll go on a P shooter now. It's just one left. It's Raz tucked in the corner.
One enemy remaining.
Takes two. Here's Dom. It's Raze with a third. Raz with a triple kill for the 1v3 clutch. UTM will take that. Maybe the first time on this half, I'm gonna be honest. Or good possibly. He's gonna win. A shorty. Oh, does damage when he's gonna get it. He goes down. He thought he had one on Raz. Doing spots one.
One enemy remaining.
Shooter takes down Zach. Just Budo left, but we know what Budo can do.
One
He's got
enemy
one.
remaining.
He's got two.
Oh my god.
What shots from Budo. Nippy's actually on the bomb right now. Half and half. Gets spotted up by one. Budo's low. Flash around from Dippy. He's gotta play fast. Budo might just bring around the Rosie here. Dippy on the spike. He tapped it, dude. He's looking the wrong way. Dippy's wrong way, and Budo with the quad. So they're gonna start moving it towards A. That updraft didn't work out.
There's one more.
One's
There's
out, one's
Viper
out,
over
one's
there.
out, one's out.
Mid door, mid door, mid door, mid door, mid door.
Man. One more there. One more there. Just on site.
Yellow.
One's
Backside,
back-
backside.
So yeah.
Backside.
I trolled.
I'll play
Yellow.
backlight. Yellow, yellow, yellow.
On top.
Oh, he's looking. at
Let's
me.
try.
Attackers
Somebody can
win.
get it done. It's an identity unknown to close it with the operator. 13-7 will be the final score. Here on Breeze.
Map 3, it'll be Haven. And let's have a banger for the final map of the season for one of these two teams.
It is difficult for UTM Black. They need to try and win this
Last
one.
player standing.
As identity unknown takes down Georgia. Just Dippy left. They
One
one
enemy
close.
remaining.
That's Budo and takes him down. He's tagged out by the dart, but it's a 1v1. Good. So tap that spike. Breach is done. Zach knows where he is. It's still difficult.
Off your feet!
Taps it again. There's the ulti from
Hey, challenge him. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Good job.
corner, but a fantastic
got
clutch
to
from Dippy.
overprove
He
myself.
perfectly plays that util. Budo's actually taking down Rosa. And then they're ready for
One
that one.
enemy
Budo a
remaining.
2-3 from Budo.
He's walking up to you, I think.
Yeah, I saw
Close to me.
Oh. Wait, I thought I killed him, bro.
Wait, ulting. You're in the way.
The back plot. He's on back plot.
Yeah.
Close
Can we
right, close
kill
right.
him?
Out.
Out.
Nice.
Dead.
Playing for long,
W dash.
W dash. Dashing into all.
Before. Using this shot as identity unknown, and he is higher to the other, but Georgia's getting aggressive. This is what Georgia does when Raz is ready for it. I cannot count the number of times that Joe just pushed through a smoke on my fingers or my feet.
I feel like he just only has a
Fine.
W key on his keyboard.
Over 20 smokes through, but they're gonna actually try this. In the box. Here comes the flash. Post Peach on there, they TP away, running down this bomb.
Oh, it's not planted.
Wait, I
Oh,
didn't
good
even
for
notice,
him.
actually not planted them.
Opening it!
Nice.
All right, yo, Alyssa, and don't do that. Don't do
Dude, I
that.
thought they're both.
Wait,
CT.
what? Oh, don't do that.
Was the guy trying to shoot at me or Dom, bro? That's crazy.
I was jiggling this.
That's okay, it's okay. So listen, they didn't expect it, you know? Logs is clear.
One more.
Backside.
Garage,
Mid,
garage.
mid.
Yo, backside. Nice.
Backside's dead.
Long,
be
long,
long
long,
dash.
both on, both
Too long.
on, both on.
Nice.
more.
Last guy's too long. Dogging him.
I'm
I don't know
tapping.
that.
I'm tapping, holding. Hold it, hold it.
Nice, Taro.
There's a ghost
Body
garage.
shot warrior.
Hey, I got two in
Body
the
shot
beginning,
berry,
bro.
body shot berry.
No, I got two in the beginning, bro.
God.
Listen. Whatever to win, right? Whatever to win.
Bang, bang.
Nah, watch the replay, bro. Watch the replay.
Yeah, now I just like.
That's why I love you, Dippy. Like, why aren't we on a team, bro? Wait, we are.
You don't play.
Budo gets caught up in the prowlers. UTM comes in. Raz takes down Georgia though. Keep shooting. Trade back. Still in hand. Dippy.
One
He's
enemy
got the
remaining.
util in hand, but takes down Arsenal.
Oh my
Taro,
god, you guys the
come.
best players or what?
This guy just drops on me with one tap right click, bro. That's just
Bam, bam,
insane.
bam. Bam, bam.
This guy's
I
right
wish
click just
I
hits different.
knew.
I wish I knew
I
you
knew
wanted
you
me.
Oh, beautiful. To Arsenal. Oh, onto Zach as well. He's gonna go further as well. Fully flashed up. Find more. Finds Budo too. And he'll dash away.
I'm being-
Garage. Let's get garage side or grass.
Window,
grass.
window.
Line.
Well,
He's one
you're
HP,
pushing
he's
that.
one HP.
Like, what is wrong with you?
Bro,
It's a
why is
rank
there
game.
Lurker, bro. I'm really just W king.
To be fair, no, we play this like a rank game. I think, like truly.
It's a truly
Like,
team,
look at this
man.
guy. Look at this guy Taro. Like, look at this guy Taro. This guy's playing for rank.
Yo! Listen, I was good at the game at one point in my life, bro. Just not this time.
Yeah, that's what I'll say.
Yeah, there's a smoke push through again. Oh, what a shot from P. Through the
enemy
smoke and Taro. Ready with one. And find the second. It's gonna have to be Budo, and he's only got 15 seconds.
And it's a 1v3. Can Budo 1v3 again?
1v3.
10 seconds left.
On to the
Oh,
site.
Taro played
Dippy's
it.
just gonna
Dippy
play
played it
ringer
slow.
on the Rosie. He's just running from him.
Oh,
Can't
that's
get
it.
the spike
I don't think he
down,
has
the
it.
flash. Dippy's
Ace.
just gonna take him down, and it'll be
Defenders
13-7.
Dude, this server, we never played this server again, bro.
Yeah,
you know
I
how
hate
many
this
kills
server.
me and Licities could have gotten A long if we weren't lagging, bro?
Hey, buddy.
Dude, we were stuttering.